Hi, Dawn Cookow here. I got your email saying I've been in the programme 2 weeks and where am I at? What am I enjoying? So I'm finding it really easy to go through the modules. They're really watchable, even the longer ones. I like the fact I get instant feedback in the group. It never takes more than a couple of hours pretty much. The whole process makes a lot of sense. Where am I in the process? On the last module, in module 3 for funnels, I'm on the last video there. So I've done my HVG, I've created my funnel, I've written my ad copy. I've just got one video left to do and then I can get it live. I've also jumped ahead to some of the sales video because I've had one sales call from the cash collector post and I've got another sales call next week. So I'm kind of getting my head around the whole sales process. And what constraints? Actually, it's all been pretty straightforward so far. Yeah, so thanks very much.